And so that's where I want you guys to start, is just first get the game to run. Download the code, get some images, get the game to run. Remember, the images are going to need to be tiny, tiny, tiny. If you look at, if you go to Google image search and you look up game sprites, you can get some nice small images, and then you can download those. But you remember, your screen is 800 by 600. If you're going 100 pixels wide, that's gigantic. Okay, so you just want to be cognizant of that aspect of the game. Once you get the game to run, then you want to try tweaking some of the difficulty of the game. Like, you want to change the speed that sprites move, change the enemies, change how things work in the game. What I'm going to show you on Wednesday is how to take this exact game and turn it into a completely different game by just changing some basic mechanics. And so this game, by the way, with the missiles and it constitutes one of probably 5 or 6 really common game mechanics that you would have found if you would have gone to that 1989 arcade, right? You would have found there would probably be 30 out of the 100 games in that arcade that use this exact same model with different sprites and some basic tweaks to it. I mean, it is what it is. But you've got a lot of possibility, a lot of potential for fun there.